We've all seen Peter Rabbit narrowly escaping Mr. McGregor's garden, losing his little blue coat in the process. But for today's project, I wanted to take Peter out of the countryside and drop him right into the heart of a bustling French city. This is Peter Rabbit, reimagined for 2026, still mischievous, but perhaps a bit more urban. While the laser works its magic on the wood, it's worth reflecting on just how long this rabbit has been in our lives. Beatrix Potter first introduced Peter to the world in 1902. Since then, her stories have sold over 150 million copies. It's rare for a character to remain this iconic for over a century, but Peter's rebellious spirit is timeless. Take a look at the storefront, Monsieur McG's Patisserie. A little nod to his old rival, perhaps? The detail in the laser engraving here focuses on that massive, multi-tiered carrot cake in the window. It's a far cry from a stolen radish. In this version of the story, Peter isn't just hungry, he's a master thief. Look at that hook he's wielding, he's moved up in the world. You can see the crowd in the background, a father and child pointing in disbelief, while Peter stays laser-focused on the prize. The contrast between the classic 19th century etching style and the modern laser technology is one of my favorite parts of this process. So, here's the debate for the comments. Look at the angle of that hook. Is he going for the glory and taking the whole cake? Or is he playing it safe and just snatching the carrot off the top? Personally, knowing Peter, I think he's taking the whole thing. There he is, the world's most famous rabbit, caught in the act. If you enjoyed this reimagined classic, hit that like button. It really helps the channel.